Rhode Island is a small and densely populated state with a proud industrial heritage burdened by a toxic legacy. In our small state, we can take advantage of close academic, government, and community interactions to intelligently manage this legacy of contamination. As a center of technical excellence, the Superfund research program at Brown University promotes a research-oriented, multidisciplinary approach to resolving the complex health, engineering, and community challenges of contaminated environments to benefit Rhode Island's communities and its citizens.
Complex exposures to reproductive toxicants are common at hazardous chemical sites. We are learning how exposure to one chemical alters the susceptibility of the male and female reproductive systems to exposure by a second chemical.
We identify health hazards of emerging contaminants, including metallic nanoparticles and carbon nanomaterials. Our interdisciplinary team of scientists studies how different sized and shaped carbon nanomaterials behave in the lung. Using a combination of computer modeling and on-site experimental studies, we've become a leader in understanding and predicting the flow of vapors from contaminated soil and groundwater into homes, schools, and workplaces. Additionally, we've developed a system that removes trace heavy metals such as lead from contaminated water.
The Superfund research program identifies stakeholders' needs related to contaminated environments and their potential health impacts. We work closely with the Rhode Island Departments of Environmental Management and Health, as well as with the United States Environmental Protection Agency.
We support community-based groups to promote environmental justice in Rhode Island through education and advocacy. We provide information about environmental risks to concerned Rhode Island residents. We collaborated with community action groups, state legislators, and Rhode Island Housing to create an innovative state program that lends up to $25,000 to Rhode Island homeowners whose properties have been contaminated by toxic chemicals.
We are one of just 15 Superfund research programs in the United States funded by the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences. So far, we have received $26 million in federal funding and generated $17 million in additional federal grant funding for research in nanomaterials and human health effects of environmental pollutants. Brown University's Superfund research program is unique as it addresses the critical need for advanced technology development and human health research. We employ 73 faculty, scientists, and staff in positions that are highly technical, thus enhancing the capacity of Rhode Island to compete nationally. Brown University's Superfund research program is a win-win-win for Rhode Island citizens, Rhode Island communities, and the Rhode Island environment.